Good morning. I am Jarrod Lofy, and I'm proud to present the Ittybityprogrammingcommittee's entry into HACC. We created Vote Hawaii, where any citizen can come and get any and all information about everything that will be on their ballot. We believe that this will lead to more informed citizenry, as well as greater participation among the electorate. I'd like to note that the entire site is responsive and looks good on all platforms. We start at our homepage. This is where you can enter your zip code or use geolocation in order to find your district and what will be on your ballot this coming election cycle. We did this because, let's be honest, voting can be overwhelming, and we wanted to make sure that the decision-making process was as simple as possible. Once your district has been determined, we moved on to comparing each candidate for each ballot option. As an example here, we compare Kurt Caldwell and Charles DeJew and where they stand on some imaginary issues. This year I'd like to note that we tried to make our website as accessible as possible, including both voiceover and language options.
Merrill Candidate Comparison Page, tab. President. Internal link. Congress. Internal link list item. Table. Rail. Caldwell supports rail. JAL supports rail.
Hawaii is one of the most diverse states, with many people speaking many languages, and we felt our site needed to reflect these values. We are also ADA compliant, allowing our site to be accessed by the visually impaired. By clicking on a candidate within the comparison page, you navigate to a candidate information page. This includes a detailed record of everything a voter could want to learn about a candidate. A brief about the candidate and who they are, their voting records, their stances on issues, who's contributing to the campaign and how much. It is here that we can use visualizations from hawaii.gov in order to really show where contributions are coming from. These are really useful as they are already maintained by the state of Hawaii, and they won't need any maintenance by our site ever. These visualizations provide a simple way for voters to understand who is funding a candidate and how much they're getting. We will also be providing visualizations for campaign spending so that voters can see how candidates are using their money. Additionally, we will provide ethics disclosures that may be involved with the candidate's history, as well as news articles that are relevant to the candidate. In this way, voters can always have access to the most updated information about a candidate throughout the entire election cycle. Our site aims to be the one-stop shop for election information. We are supported by both hawaii.gov data as well as our local newspapers. This way we aim to create the most informed citizens, making it easier for voters to have their views represented effectively on their ballots. In addition to the website, we also have an app. This app uses optical character recognition to give users additional information about a candidate. The app can read a sign, and the app can then query information from the website's database to provide additional information about a candidate. Augmented reality will overlay that information on a user's phone so that users can quickly get candidates' details in an easy-to-use interface.